Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to promote your Instagram Reels on other platforms in 2026 so that you can get more views, more followers, and grow your audience outside of Instagram too. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on Instagram.com. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, simply click on this plus icon, then select the option of post. Now over here, you just have to select that particular video which you want to upload as post or reel. So once you have done that, simply press next here on the top. Now once you are here on this page, you will see this option of share to. So here, every time when you post here on Instagram, you just have to turn this toggle button on. So what this is going to do is it is going to share this reel on Facebook automatically. So your reel is going to be on Facebook without any extra effort. So this thing is absolutely free and it can double your reach overnight. So make sure that you do this step first. Then you can upload the same video on YouTube Shorts, on Snapchat, on X.com, or any of the platforms that basically allows you to upload the reels on their platform. So here, if you want to upload the same reel on YouTube, simply come here on YouTube Studio. Over here, click on the option of create on the top right hand corner, then click on the option of upload videos. After that, select the same video which you have uploaded as reels on Instagram. After that, you just have to provide the same captions, the same description, the same title, the same thumbnail over here. Then simply press next and simply publish this particular video. Now, this particular step is going to attract the new viewers who may also follow you on Instagram. So in the description as well, you can give the link of your Instagram page so that they could know what is your Instagram page and they could come there later. So you can also post the highlights of your reels on TikTok as well, or you can just simply repurpose content, meaning that you can upload the same content on bunch of different platforms with the help of some of the repurposing tools. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.